Hello friend, welcome to the Zara quiz. Today we are going to play Would You Rather quiz. Make sure subscribe for more awesome quizzes like this. Let's go.
Would you rather Black Widow version of Backhoe Loader or Hawkman version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Black Panther version of Backhoe Loader or Silver Surfer version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Green Lantern version of Backhoe Loader or Shazam version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Aquaman version of Backhoe Loader or Martian Manhunter version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Scarlet Witch version of Backhoe Loader or Hellboy version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Dr. Fate version of Backhoe Loader or The Thing version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Nightwing version of Backhoe Loader or Hawkeye version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Captain Marvel version of Backhoe Loader or Supergirl version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Batman version of Backhoe Loader or the Punisher version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Wonder Woman version of Backhoe Loader or Mr. Fantastic version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Spiderman version of Backhoe Loader or Blade version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Zatanna version of Backhoe Loader or Rogue version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Thor version of Backhoe Loader or Wasp version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Hulk version of Backhoe Loader or Deadpool version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather the Flash version of Backhoe Loader or Jean Grey version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Wolverine version of Backhoe Loader or Ant-Man version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Iron Man version of Backhoe Loader or Thanos version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Captain America version of Backhoe Loader or Human Torch version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Superman version of Backhoe Loader or Ghost Rider version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Robin version of Backhoe Loader or Spawn version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Daredevil version of Backhoe Loader or the Tick version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Cyclops version of Backhoe Loader or Swamp Thing version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Doctor Strange version of Backhoe Loader or Luke Cage version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Green Arrow version of Backhoe Loader or Jessica Jones version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Storm version of Backhoe Loader or Iron Fist version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Rogue version of Backhoe Loader or the Flash version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Wasp version of Backhoe Loader or Wolverine version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Deadpool version of Backhoe Loader or Black Widow version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Jean Grey version of Backhoe Loader or Black Panther version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Iron Fist version of Backhoe Loader or Aquaman version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Hawkman version of Backhoe Loader or Scarlet Witch version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Silver Surfer version of Backhoe Loader or Dr. Fate version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Shazam version of Backhoe Loader or Iron Man version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Martian Manhunter version of Backhoe Loader or Captain America version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Hellboy version of Backhoe Loader or Superman version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather The Thing version of Backhoe Loader or Zatanna version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Thanos version of Backhoe Loader or Thor version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Human Torch version of Backhoe Loader or Hulk version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Ant-Man version of Backhoe Loader or Nightwing version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Hawkeye version of Backhoe Loader or Captain Marvel version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Supergirl version of Backhoe Loader or Batman version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather the Punisher version of Backhoe Loader or Wonder Woman version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Mr. Fantastic version of Backhoe Loader or Spiderman version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Blade version of Backhoe Loader or Robin version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Ghost Rider version of Backhoe Loader or Daredevil version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Spawn version of Backhoe Loader or Cyclops version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather the Tick version of Backhoe Loader or Doctor Strange version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Swamp Thing version of Backhoe Loader or Green Arrow version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Luke Cage version of Backhoe Loader or Storm version of Backhoe Loader? Would you rather Jessica Jones version of Backhoe Loader or Green Lantern version of Backhoe Loader?